Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my afternoon news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Bird flies into Milton substation, knocking out power for thousands. Eversource officials said Wednesday morning that a bird flew into a substation in Milton, knocking out power to thousands of customers. Service was restored before 8 a.m. The lights went out for about 10,000 people about 6:45 a.m. Because of the power problems, school officials in Milton decided to cancel classes for the day. And that does it for my afternoon news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for the Riley King newscast and for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.